We want to welcome you to this exciting online presentation. If you are looking at this presentation for the first time, I'd like to encourage you to grab a pen and paper, jot down some exciting information you'll hear today, and should you have any questions, the person who invited you would be glad to answer those questions after we are done to help you move forward. I am Emily Monk, together with my husband Charles, will be doing the presentation for you. Charles and I have been in business together for over 16 years. We have traveled extensively in Asia and in North America, teaching people how to be entrepreneurs and be in control of their own lives. We'd like for you to sit back, relax, and take in the information as we share with you the opportunity that you have been looking for. We live in an ever-changing world today. The internet isn't a fad. It's here to stay. In fact, it's just going to be bigger and better. The internet has been a platform for evolution in the way we communicate, in the way we do business, even our culture, the way we behave has been influenced big time by the internet. Now, one of the areas in our lives that have been influenced or we have seen a major impact of the internet is in the way we buy things. Big store chains are now going online. Well, yes, there's a global economic recession, but apart from that, the big store chains are also up against the steep competition with online stores. Now, why are people switching to online buying? Well, number one, because of convenience. They can avoid the traffic, can save them the hassle of going in and out from one store to the next store to the next store just to look for the product they like. In fact, with online stores, they're as close as just a click away. And also with online stores, there's lots of choices. You can get better prices because now you can go directly to the manufacturer. And the most important thing is that you can compare prices before you buy. Now, why is price comparison very important? Well, 97% of consumers now use online media when researching for products and services in their local area. In fact, 65% of consumers cite that the internet is an important tool for them in making buying decisions. By 2013, online buying will be a $1 trillion business with close to 20% annual growth. Folks, that's 200 billion on top of the 1 trillion every single year. Now, that's a lot of money being generated through online buying using the internet. Now, this is the big question. How would you like to take a piece of the $1 trillion pie with the big guys? The big guys I'm talking about, Facebook, Yahoo, Bing, YouTube, Twitter, and the likes, right? Well, how would you like to take a piece of that $1 trillion industry? And the best thing about this is that you don't have to go back to school to know the ins and outs of the internet, even if, because you don't have the time to go back to school, right? You don't have the skills to be able to learn it and all those kind of stuff. Well, now we have the opportunity to do so through the next giant web innovation called the Shopping Sherlock. Now, before we tell you more about this next billion-dollar company that you can participate in, we want to tell you about the man behind the innovation, Mr. Michael Weeder. Now, Michael had been in the forefront of internet explosion since the mid-1990s. He's seen it, he's seen what's here, and he sees what's coming. And so who can be a better person to let us know those people that don't understand the internet to know what's happening and give us the opportunity to participate in it, but Mr. Michael Weeder. Now, he has years of success in expos and online advertising and marketing with the big names as his client before they even became big. He's the guy behind this names. So that's exciting. He has expertise in developing programs for nonprofit organizations, and he also has funded 3 companies and consulted with CEOs of other MLM companies. Now, that's our innovative leader, Michael Wheeler. Now let's talk about the innovative product, the Shopping Sherlock application. As you could see right here on the screen, that's the Shopping Sherlock application. The application is given to the end user for free. Now, think about this, folks. You have Google that has a product that you can Google anything under the sun, right? And it's for free. You have Facebook that you can go and be linked with your friends and your families wherever they are in the world and get to know what's happening with them. And yet their product is free. Think about this. How come the innovators of Google and Yahoo and the likes of them, right, have made billions of dollars when in fact their product is free? Well, because they add value to people. And when a product adds value to people, that's when people embrace it, and that's how they make money. Well, this is the idea of the Shopping Sherlock as well. We're going to give the product away for free and give value to people. That's why the Shopping Sherlock will become the next billion-dollar company. Now, how are we going to go and create value using the Shopping Sherlock? Number one, we're going to go and help save people a lot of their precious time. Now, let's face it. I'm sure somehow at least you Googled something or just even one thing in the internet, right? And who has the time to search through pages and pages and pages of results that would come up in just one item? No one. In fact, we're even lucky to even get to page 2 or page 3, correct? We usually just go on the first page and click on item number 1 or website number 2 or website number 5. And because we think that why do we have to bother to get to the second page or get to 10th or 11th or 30th page when probably these are the reasons why they are in front, or it's because they're the ones that's giving us the best deals. Well, that is entirely not the truth at all. Well, the reasons why they are on top, it's because they're the ones that's paying Google the most advertising cost. And have you heard of search engine optimization programs? Well, I don't understand the internet as well, but that's part of the game that they have to play when you're going through the internet. See, that's how Google made so much money, right? See, 1996, Google had 10,000 clicks per day. And today, they have about 3.5 billion clicks in a day. So just imagine the kind of money that is being generated through the internet when they pay per click, right? So now we will help them save a lot of time because with the application, as you could see right here in the screen, it rides on the face of all major search engines to find you the best deals within seconds. So you can say goodbye to pages and pages and pages of stuff that you have to go and look through just to find the best deals. And another value that we will add to people is that we will help them save a lot of their hard-earned money because this time it's not influenced by high budget click advertisement or any of that internet marketing know-how. The Shopping Sherlock is just concentrating on one thing alone, okay? And that is finding you the best price and finding you the best price within seconds. And the thing that is so exciting for Charles and I is this, the big twist of all. The product helps consumers save money instead of asking to spend money to try a product. I'm sure you have done this before. You've gone to your friends, peddled your wares, right? And told them to try a product. So for them to try a product, they have to go and shell out money, or you might be embarrassed to ask for the money, so you just give it away. So could you imagine if you have to give away all your products just your first day alone, you're already bankrupt. You know, you're already in debt because now you haven't recovered your money and your product's gone. Well, that's the big twist with the Shopping Sherlock. We can help them save money instead of asking to spend money to quote unquote try the product. Well, let's see some examples so that you could believe it. Now, we will compare a regular online search versus using the Shopping Sherlock application and searching for the same products. Just look at this example. For this camera, in euro, that's 1,899 euro. And using the Shopping Sherlock Germany, we were able to find it at 1,319 euro. Folks, that's a savings of a whopping 580 euro or 31%. Now, if I'm talking to my Filipino counterparts, wherever you are in the world today, think about this. In Philippine peso, that's about 32,000 pesos. And when I learned about how much money that is, and because I am an OFW kid, that made an impact to me, because now we can go to our friends wherever they are in the world and tell them, use this application. You can go and save a lot of money and still be able to get the product that you want, and the savings that you have, you can send it back home to your families here in the Philippines. So that is another incentive why you want to use the Shopping Sherlock application. Now look at this, another example. In UK, for this same washing machine, that's 60 pounds or 20% savings. Now, here's a kicker right here. We all love this story. In the US, for this driver, that's 479 US dollars. And when we use the Shopping Sherlock application, that we found the same driver for $149.99. Folks, that's 69% difference for the same driver. So that's exciting right there for men who loves their hobbies. Now you don't have to feel guilty, because now with the Shopping Sherlock, you'll be able to find great deals like this. Now think about this, folks. We both looked at this through the internet, but more than likely that 149 driver, you won't be able to see it, because this is the page that's probably been stacked up under so many pages of results that you don't have the time to go through. Now look at this other example right here with this lady's watch. Now ladies, we go and work so hard, and then by the time we come home, we still go and work. 26% savings for the same watch using the Shopping Sherlock Australia. Now, we can reward ourselves for a job well done without having to feel guilty about it. Here, an example of my mom. When we were trying to explain this to her, she said, okay, go and look for a Sony TV, a 40-inch and LCD. And so naturally, I went to the official site of Sony Philippines, and we were able to see this product for 55,999. Now, here, in the Philippines, we still use the Shopping Sherlock Australia. We were able to find the same product at 42% difference. Folks, it's like buying two TVs for the price of one. So that is exciting right there. And again, we both looked at this in the internet. So that's the thing that is so exciting using the Shopping Sherlock. Now, again, for review, you get the products for free, the Shopping Sherlock for free, and also you get best deals using the Shopping Sherlock. But on top of that, there is an unmatched opportunity of you enjoying the benefits of it, other benefits of it, by being a subscriber of the Shopping Sherlock. With no high startup cost, no huge initial product inventory, no shipping and handling cost, no waiting for product.